TSMC just released its latest earnings report, and the results could shake up the tech world. Whether you're an investor, a tech enthusiast, or just curious about the company powering the biggest names in the industry, this is the video you can't afford to miss. Let's dive into the numbers and uncover what this means for you. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the financial heartbeat of the tech industry, TSMC's latest earnings report. Taiwan Semiconductor Manufacturing Company is the world's largest chipmaker and a critical player in the global tech supply chain. Whether you own their stock or just follow the tech industry, these numbers matter. First, let's set the stage. TSMC produces chips for some of the biggest names in tech. Think Apple, Nvidia, and AMD. Their innovations power everything from your iPhone to AI supercomputers. Why should you care about their earnings report? Well, TSMC's performance can reflect the health of the global tech market and even hint at trends before they become headlines. Now, let's break down the numbers. Here are the highlights. Revenue. TSMC reported a revenue of insert revenue amount, a percentage decrease compared to last quarter. Net profit. The company posted a net profit of insert profit amount with a margin of profit margin percentage. Growth drivers. AI chip demand was a major driver this quarter, with orders from companies like insert big clients. Challenges. On the flip side, weaker smartphone and PC sales due to global economic conditions weighed on revenue. These numbers paint a mixed picture: opportunities in AI but headwinds in consumer electronics. What does this mean for investors? Keep watching to find out. Unsurprisingly, the stock market reacted quickly. After the earnings were released, TSMC's stock movement rose, dipped by percentage in after-hours trading. Analysts seem divided. Some see this as a short-term blip, while others believe it signals a broader shift in the industry. This earnings report goes beyond TSMC. It gives us a glimpse into global tech trends. AI chips. Companies are ramping up investments in AI, which means TSMC could see sustained growth in this sector. Economic slowdown. A dip in consumer demand for smartphones and PCs highlights challenges for the industry. Geopolitical factors. With global tensions rising, TSMC's strategic importance as a Taiwan-based company cannot be overstated. Experts suggest that while the short-term outlook may seem uncertain, TSMC's dominant market position makes it a long-term winner. So, what should you do with this information? If you're an investor, consider this. TSMC's focus on innovation and its strategic importance make it a solid long-term play, but short-term volatility could offer buying opportunities. For tech enthusiasts, keep an eye on how TSMC adapts to market challenges and continues driving technological breakthroughs. That's all for today. What are your thoughts on TSMC's earnings? Are you bullish on their future, or do you see challenges ahead? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more insights into the tech and financial world. See you next time.